What's up, groovy tubers? I'm Sean. I live in a shed on an urban homestead in Tucson, Arizona. In this video, I'll show you how topsoil is created in nature and how to use the same process to create beautiful landscape and abundant garden beds in your own backyard. In a natural ecosystem, mountaintops and hills collect rainwater. As the rainwater travels downhill, it collects organic material and deposits it on the valley floor. In addition to these deposits, debris like leaves and dead branches also accumulate on the valley floor. As this organic material decomposes, it becomes food for the beneficial microbes in the soil. The microbes then make the nutrients in the soil available to the plants above. This decomposing organic material is also referred to as mulch. Mulch can be made out of any natural material, including cardboard, paper, and shredded cotton clothing. Here are a few techniques you can use to capture rainwater and enrich your soil. Make sure your ground is sloped towards your planted basins and garden beds. This way, rainwater runoff will end up where it needs to be. A similar technique is to raise the pathways between your planted basins and garden beds. This way, the rainwater is diverted off the pathway and into your planted beds. With rain gutters, you can collect rainwater from your roof and transport it to planted basins with underground pipes connected to your downspout. Adding mulch protects topsoil from the sun, helps soil retain moisture, and feeds beneficial soil microbes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.